Every year, millions of old cars are left to rust away. But their journey isn't over yet. Hidden inside this rust is something valuable: pure, recyclable steel. These cars are collected from junkyards and scrapyards across the country. Before recycling begins, all fluids and hazardous materials are safely removed. Tires, batteries, and glass are taken out, since they can't be melted with steel. A powerful crane then lifts the stripped car body toward the shredder. Inside the shredder, the entire car is torn apart in seconds. Steel hammers spinning at high speed reduce the car to fist-sized chunks of metal. Powerful magnets separate the steel from aluminum, copper, and other materials.
What remains is a mountain-sorted steel scrap, ready for melting.
Here, an electric arc furnace waits to transform scrap into something new. Tons of scrap steel are loaded into the furnace, ready to be reborn. Massive carbon electrodes descend, generating electric arcs hotter than lava. Temperatures reach over 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, melting the steel completely.
Technicians test the molten metal. They adjust its chemical composition for strength.
Elements like manganese and carbon are added to give the steel extra durability. Elements like manganese and carbon are added to give the steel extra durability. Once ready, the furnace tilts, pouring liquid steel into a giant ladle. The molten steel is carried to a continuous casting machine nearby. The billet enters a rolling mill, where powerful rollers stretch it into the shape of a rail. That signature I-beam profile gives the rail the strength to carry enormous weight. The finished rail, still glowing red, travels down a long cooling bed, slowly turning gray. As it cools, the rail hardens, gaining the toughness needed for heavy train tracks. Once approved, the rails are cut to precise lengths and stacked, ready for delivery. They're shipped across the country and bolted into place along the railway line. So next time a train glides past, remember, it may be riding on cars that once rusted away.